I feel like the guy at the bar who's been there too long. Can't stand up, I should be gone, but I just can't get enough. Fumbling, giggling, silly as ever. I get like this after one too many, but right now I ain't even been drinking. She approached me and asked for a minute, which turned into 5, then turned into 10. See, right now I don't know how to say when. So can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Yeah. Of your time, 'cause you're a to get in my mind.